the complete lifestyle. This property is an ideal family home and is in close proximity to shops, schools and trains. The property has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and it features lock-up garaging for 2 cars. The kitchen features a walk-in pantry with generous space. This home will allow you to bring the family together, and it delights with its look and feel. This address comes with a security alarm system, as well as high-quality fittings and fixtures. Add to that an undercover patio area. Looking for a property to enjoy with family and friends? Ideal as your first ever home. Email the agent for more details. It's that easy.